Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to claim your Nodepay voucher code step by step, and let's get started. So first off, you just have to go to the website Nodepay AI. As you can see, this is its interface, the Nodepay AI, and as you can see, you just have to register first if you don't have an account. And if you are wondering where would you get the referral code, and it is also mandatory, so you just have to search the code in other websites and just paste it right here and just click the I have read and agree to terms and privacy policy and just fill up all these details and just click register. But for me, I have my own account, so I just have to log in. So if you wanted to have a free points on Nodepay AI, so you just have to follow their Twitters, but I don't have any Twitter, so I just have to click X for now. So as you can see in here, you just have to claim points in Nodepay AI. And if you wanted to get some medals or earning, as you can see, there are many missions right here. So these missions in Nodepay AI, this usually helps you for helping you getting a voucher code in your Nodepay AI. So make sure that you always do the missions that they give you every day. It depends on what mission that they would give you. And if you wanted to claim the voucher code, so you just have to click this, and as you can see in here, you could click claim voucher and just enter your code here to claim your voucher. So if you have the voucher code, you just have to paste it in here and just claim voucher, and that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.